never slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
oh, what a find! Jopet Soriano slips and scores. Espinas, no. Rebound Soriano. Forward pass, Denison leaks out, scores over a fellow FEU Tamaraw. Denison, Kalahat, read that pass, but Soriano, right place at the right time.
That's the right idea, Bar.
Papa Reynel Hugnatan. Kalahat, pumukol sa tres, pasok yan!
No, in college, ito si Rom.
Number 1 spot in the team standings at stake. Biton leaks out, off a steal, and in transition, gets the basket.
Lahat ata binigyan dito.
Again, Biton off to the races. Sanga lays it up and in, plus a foul! What a...
Again, look at Biton draw the defense and at the last second, shovel pass to Paul Sanga.
Also a veteran crew, but they have really amped the pace. Butch Gamboa spins inside. Soriano loses the basketball, but Gamboa recovers and scores. Brings a lot of spunk at that point guard position. Can create his own shots. Speaking of Kalahat, aba, kanina nakadrain ng 3-pointer. Hugnatan, bagong pasok. Mintes yung kanyang tres, tapikan ng bola, Kalisaan was there, and the offensive rebounds have been going onto the way ni Michael Kalisaan. Manday losing it. Numbers here for the Kings. Orlan Wamar. Oh, what a bounce pass! Libreng-libre si Michael Kalisaan. Una, Paul Sanga, quick trigger! No! Espinas corrals it. Kalisaan comes out of the pack and lays it up and in.
Great foot.
And they were able to hold off Binyan to get another win. Galinato challenging Gabi Espinas, fearless on his drive.
What a stretch.
Kaya nga, no, itong Caloocan. Kalahat, libre sa tres. Oh, and finally stopping the bleeding for the Supremos.
Oh, ito si Romel Kalahat.
Let's see how it pans out. We got Josh Flores in, as well as this guy who's in a dead shot from the outside, Jeramer Cabanag.
Boards, almost 3 assists per game. That's unbelievable.
But empty on that trip. Zach Wang, though, cleans up the miss.
This will be tricky. Naging 5 na lang yan nung tumanda siya eh. It's more of a 4.
Cabanag, the release pass, broken up by San Juan. Tatakbo dito ang Kings. Galinato has been really aggressive. Tumingin sa shot clock si Cervantes, laban kay Maikes, pumoposte. 2 seconds left, Cervantes, fade away. Oh, Josh Flores, nobody boxing him out. Joko, kick out. Cervantes from downtown, it's good!
He says a prayer.
With only 6 seconds remaining.
Nice
oh,
pass.
What a pass and what a cut from Reynel Hugnatan.
Hindi tayo mauubusan yan.
My guess, ganda nung backdoor play and he scores off that feed from Reynel Hugnatan. Pop play, Cervantes spins, kicks it out, they swing it. Cabanag, same spot, same result. Second three for Jeramer Cabanag. The former UST Growling Tiger. But Zach Wang sticking to him like glue. And he gets a steal. Forward pass. AC Soberano takes it upon himself and scores.
Credit the whole.
We've been going at a blistering pace. Joko Tayongtong. Romer Gonzalez high off the glass and in. A contest.
And at that percentage.
Yes, that's staggering. Now he's tasked to guard Ron Denison, who faces up and drills in that midi.
That's the first non.
Talagang mamimiss siya na ating officiating community. Meanwhile, Ronnie Matias with a free touch. Wamar, Agovida, pinasok. Layo nito! Bang, bang! Valencia attacks. Fadeaway jumper. Ganda ng sagot ng Irvin. Valencia. Bubukol ng tres.
Go!
Banks it in. Much to the delight of the Supremo crowd. And they now find themselves
11 right now from the outside and see this. Bukas pa pala ang mga bangko ng gantong oras sa Caloocan.
on that Jay. Tatakbo si Kalisaan. Leading his team in scoring because of plays like that.
Scoring in the paint.
Manday. Bounce pass inside. Bonsubre.
Oh!
Nakagawa ng paraan.
Ang lalim ng dukot ni Jun.
So things have turned around here. Ito kanina pa gumagana tong play na to eh. Grabs another rebound. But Kalisaan.
Oh, nutmeg.
Nutmegs. Ronnie Matias. And doesn't convert. That would have been a highlight.
That'd be a #1 play in our top 10. The nutmeg.
Sayang. Kasin ulit. This time, he won't be denied. Knocking.
Especially seeing how strong their opponent is. Canon Coach Mark.
Bro, Coach Mark, kapansin-pansin din. Ang bilis din ng pace na ginagalaw ngayon ng Caloocan eh.
Yung iba eh, usually, you see the 3 by Arvin Gamboa. Usually they're more of a...
Minutes left here in the first half. Oh, what a pass. Kalisaan completes that impressive play. What a look from Orlan. 42 apiece.
It's so nice, Ken. You gotta see twice. The no-look by Orlan Wamar to Michael Kalisaan. Finishing it off. Former Vice Mayor ata dito,
Ah,
if I
okay.
remember.
I'm sure nakaka-relate siya sa larong ito as Jun Bonsubre converts plus a foul. When I say first a look again at this impressive N1 play from the former San Beda Red Lion.
No, underrated itong si...
Ganda ng pasahan sa interior ng San Juan. Di nga lang makapunto si Marquez. Pero yung Kalisaan nandoon sa loob. Basket and one for the former San Sebastian Stag.
Scoring in the paint. Great passing, but the activity of Michael Kalisaan cannot be denied. 2-1.
Less than a minute to go. Manday for 3. Pops out. Wamar. The look. Kalisaan again. Jeff takes that free. No. Battle for the rebound. Still enough time. Manday forces one up. No good. And the first half comes to an end. A wild back and forth between these two. John Galinato, former NU Bulldog. Wamar, high arcing free.
Oh!
Nails it plus a foul.
You can't complain if you're seat again off the screens. Orlan Wamar catch, shoot, bad closeout, and 1.
Wamar had 5 early points in the first quarter. Medyo hindi na natin na siya naramdaman since Bitoon magpaparamdam ng and gets that free to go.
They need that production galing dito kay Chris Bitoon.
Alforque with a running start. Galinato streaks in and scores.
Halos lahat ng puntos ito si John.
So baliktad, no? Mas maraming turnovers yung San Juan, pero sila ay nakakonvert off the turnovers. Kalisaan from Orlan Wamar. Most of them towards the direction. Now, speaking of, si Bitoon din naman, di papauli, nahanap si Gabis.
Walang nag-switch dun sa action.
Chris Bitoon, 5 points, 2 assists. Again,
Hindi.
Kalisaan. Oh my goodness.
It's been a pass. See it in the slow-mo, the great cut by Michael Kalisaan off that back pick. Nakatingin lahat dun sa cut ni Royce Alforque.
Alforque turns the corner, high off the glass and in, plus a foul. San Juan Kings have
The speed, changing direction, changing speed, blowing by a fellow Tamaraw.
opportunity, wala pa din. Humihingi ng foul. Cabana, gumatake. That's a tough drive. That's really strong coming from the former San Beda Red Lion native. Two San Beda players going at it, and Soberano gets the basket and a bonus free throw to boot. Under 3 minutes to go. Cabanag turning the corner, switching hands in mid-air and gets the basket. Hindi available si Denison. Now tumanggap siya galing kay Hugnatan. Change of pace, high off the glass and in.
Oh, people forget.
Has been held scoreless here. Palencia though, snatches that ball away. Cervantes sa loob. No chance if you're San Juan.
What are you doing?
Manday, called for a foul. Both teams over the limit. Snuck down his lone free throw earlier. 2% from beyond the arc.
So lamang lang ng 0.03 si Jeff.
Oh, 0.3. Alforque pinaltan muna dito. Bonsubre. Susugurin yung depensa ni Reynel Lugnatan and he gets the better of that as we end the third quarter. And a huge sigh of relief if you're the Supremos. So far though, Papa Ray only has 2 points. Surprisingly. He's now tasked to guard Real Cervantes. Si Bonsubre ang may breakout ngayon, Coach Mark. In double figures now with 10 points. Tatakbo dito ang Caloocan. Casen goes all the way! Plus a foul!
Impact minute. Look at him going from point A to point B. No resistance whatsoever. And the crowd.
Man, this game has been fun to watch, Coach Mark. Tabla na tayo. Laban kay Casen. 10 seconds sa kailang shot clock. The reverse. Oh, that's a difficult shot, but makes it anyway.
Biglaan.
Flores, face-up jumper, wala. Bonsubre again, rebound. Flores spins and scores!
You gotta give Jude Bonsubre.
We were into a frantic pace as Palencia turns the corner and gives Caloocan the taste of the lead here in the fourth.
Great lead by Erwin Palencia. Walang help side defense. And the pick of Orland Wamar. Palencia on the break.
Oh my goodness! Bitoon, Flores, and Espinas na 5 on the floor. For Caloocan, Wamar, big three! We are tied, 75 all. Espinas, the cut by Cabanag. Manday, big three! Each team has 1 timeout left. San Juan certainly does not need the 3. Calisaan. Oh, turnover! Big stop by the Super. Oh! Big steal! Here we go! Wamar peeks at the clock. Reads. Lugnatan. Wamar. Reynel. No foul call! And that's the ball game! Caloocan remains undefeated here in the PSL President's Cup.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing.